Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sad Gribby, and I didn't just wake up, but you already see I look hit, Drew, eyes crusty. As you see by that title, today I'm gonna be doing a curly hair video. You know, I seen this little video. Somebody was doing it with a brush. So right now, we about to go try that out and see if it worked. And if it worked, let me do the feedback. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'm about to go hop in the shop and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower, and basically this is what my hair looking like. It's already low-key curly. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Y'all can already see it's a little bit of curly already. That's just about like washing it. That's how it is. But usually after I put like the products in, it usually start getting dry and all that. But right now, it's a little bit curly. It's not nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy right now. But I'm about to get dressed. Oh, hold on, this camera back. Yeah, I'm about to get dressed real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all the little brush method, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys again. Alright guys, I am finally putting my clothes on. So basically what I would use is this. I would use this. They have a shampoo, but I'm not gonna use the shampoo today. I would use that, and I'd grab a brush. I grab a brush, right? Hold on, let it focus. Then I would just spin the brush around my head like this. It might look stupid, but this doesn't really work. So we'll do that. Spin it a couple times, yeah. Then what you would do next is you rinse your hair out. So I'm not trying to get my camera wet, so I might just leave it like right here, showing me washing it out. Alright guys, so I'm about to show y'all, cause this like these curls is jumping right now. They jumping. Hold up. Yo, these curls jumping, bro. Pick me up. Pick it. Look at, check me out. You see? They jumping. So I usually put one of these on just to like, I don't like all the water dripping on my face cause it's annoying. So this is what the curls look like after. You guys can see them. They there though. Don't get me wrong, they there. And yeah, this is a quick method. All you gotta use basically is the brush, sponge it around, all that, and then you rinse it out. And then shake your hair while you rinsing it out, and then you get the curls, you feel me? But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is a quick little video showing you guys that you could get curls easily with a brush. Like, it don't matter what type of hairstyle or hair type you got, whatever. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know if you like it or not. And yeah, stay groovy. Peace.